You gotta see this. It's literally just a utility knife, but I've never seen one quite like this before. Let me bring the camera in, I'll get it unboxed and I'll show you what it does. This utility knife, I saw it when I went in Toolstation and I just thought I've got to pick it up. It's not sponsored or anything, but it's made by ToughBuilt and it's their scraper utility knife, and that's probably giving you a clue to what makes it different to just your bog standard utility knife. Now there's obviously nothing wrong with your bog standard utility knives, they do the job, but wait until you see what this one does. Now obviously it should go without saying that it's a utility knife and the blade slides out nice and easy with the push of a button. It retracts really quickly. It is a bit bulkier than regular knives. It's got kind of like a paint can opener thing on the bottom as well, so that's good. But as it's called the scraper utility knife, you can probably guess that it's not just the utility knife, but with one smooth motion, it becomes a scraper. How amazing is that? You can swap it back to a knife, retract it. Good day. How good is that? I told you it was good, didn't I? Like I say, it's just a utility knife, and if you want to use a utility blade as a scraper, you can just hold it in your hands, put some gloves on, make sure you don't cut yourself. You can get fixed handles to put the blades in to use them as a scraper as well, but in one tool you've got a utility knife and a scraper. I like the mechanism. It's a gadget at the end of the day, and I saw it, so I thought I'd get it. Like I say, it's not sponsored. ToughBuilt didn't send it me. I brought it from Toolstation. I'll leave a link to where you can get it in the description down below. I really hope that you like this style of video, not a review, just literally me sharing something interesting that I found. I did a video like this quite a while ago now, where I showed off the Wolfcraft corking gun. I'd never seen one like it before. I thought it was really innovative, so I shared it with all of you. If you've seen something that's caught your eye, a gadget, anything to do with making, woodworking, tools in general, let me know in the comments. I'll try and get my hands on it and I'll show it off on here. I'll have a go with it, see what I think, because I love my gadgets. I really do like my gadgets, and I know a lot of you lot do too as well. So make sure you let me know in the comments. Slap a like on it as well. That way I know you like these videos. And if you want to see more, as well as projects, quick tips, how-tos, all that kind of stuff, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the little bell icon next to it. That way you'll get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Cheers for watching. I'm just going to play with this some more.